After the success of Operation Sindoor, India today has now reached ground zero in Jammu and Kashmir's Akhnur sector. We are right now exactly at the line of control, and behind me you can see our forward posts. On May 7, Indian Armed Forces launched Operation Sindoor, and the terror headquarters, terror camps in Pakistan as well as in Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir were decimated and targeted by the Indian Armed Forces. Congratulations on the success of Operation Sindoor. Can you just give us details about this operation, how it was executed here on ground at the line of control?
Yes, I'll just start by a line कि गोली उन्होंने चलाई थी पर धमाका हमने किया. Operation Sindoor was not a reaction. It was a calculated and mission oriented strike. हमारा इरादा बिल्कुल क्लियर था. पाकिस्तान के टेरर कैंप्स और वो पोस्ट जो इन्फिल्ट्रेशन में हेल्प कर रही हैं उन्हें प्रिसाइज टारगेटिंग द्वारा बर्बाद करना है. इसके लिए हमारी ट्रेनिंग पक्की थी, मेंटल, लॉजिस्टिकल, टैक्टिकल सभी तरह से. हमारा जो गन क्रू है उन्होंने अपनी गन लोकेशन, अपना गन डाटा और एग्जीक्यूशन की इतनी तैयारी कर रखी थी कि हमारे शेल तो टारगेट पे आने ही थे और आए भी. हमारे पास भारतीय मेड मॉडर्न रडार्स थे और न्यू जनरेशन टारगेट एक्विजिशन इक्विपमेंट्स थे. मगर एक और बहुत जरूरी चीज थी, वो था हमारे जवानों का जज्बा.
The army camps of Pakistan located in Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir were decimated, were pounded by the artillery fire of the Indian Army. Here you can see the josh and jazba of our Indian Army personnel. These are the brave hearts who were here at forward posts like these. They fought Pakistan. They taught Pakistan a lesson. And it's because of their valor, sacrifice, that Operation Sindoor became a great success. मुझे बताइए कि ये जो आर्टिलरी फायर हमें खोलना पड़ा, पूरा जरा बताइए कि कब खोलना पड़ा और इसकी जरूरत क्या पड़ी.
जब दुश्मन ने सीज फायरिंग का उल्लंघन किया और हमारे फॉरवर्ड पोस्टों को निशाना बनाने की कोशिश की, उस समय हमारा रिस्पॉन्स बिल्कुल स्ट्रॉन्ग, एक्यूरेट और इफेक्टिव था. हमारे गन से निकला हुआ हर एक गोला बिल्कुल सटीक और एक्यूरेट था.
You can see the pieces of the drones. All the drones were damaged and destroyed by our air defense system. All the armed drones were turned into pieces. So this is the capability of our armed forces, that they were able to intercept all the drones that were sent by Pakistan. And not only the drones were intercepted, but the drones were shot down and brought down. These are the remains of those drones that were sent by Pakistan. With the help of L-70 air defense gun, we were able to intercept and neutralize the drones that were sent by Pakistan. This L-70 air defense gun is part of the larger Akash Tir air defense control system. You can see it can revolve around 360 degree. So it can carry out precision strikes on the drones whenever the drones are spotted. And Pakistan sent hundreds of armed drones here in Jammu and Kashmir. The plan of Pakistan was to target our army camps. The plan of Pakistan was to also target our residential areas. But with the help of L-70 air defense gun, we were able to intercept the Pakistani drones. We were able to shoot down the Pakistani drones. So this air defense gun has come very handy during the Operation Sindoor, and we have been successful in foiling the nefarious designs of Pakistan. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from near the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir's Akhnur sector for India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.